Hey, this will be a video chart on ICPA. Still a popular chart, still getting questions on it. So I want to get it updated here as the chart has changed around. The last time I did it, I talked about how the chart was in this overall bullish pattern. All these lines you see are from the last time I did it, and you can just simply go back and look through the video archives if you're curious to watch that video. But like I said, if it fell out of this pattern, it would no longer exist. So the bull pennant isn't in play anymore, but there's a new play, and that really just is a potential bottom here. Again, if you go back and watch the other video, I just made note that if this level here, this support didn't hold, then the price would more than likely go down and test this 200-day simple moving average for this very simple reason that that was the next level of support. So it wasn't like it was some awe-inspiring call on my part. It was just simply looking at the chart and seeing that this was the next level of support, and not really patting myself on the back at all, but patting the power of charts on the back. You can see right down here, came down, touched it perfectly, put in a spinning top candle, which signals a potential bottom, and since then it's been going sideways. And that's really kind of the key question that I've been getting is this the bottom, and is it getting ready to bounce back up? And it's looking good so far. And the other question I got was, how do you really know if the bounce is gains any sort of strength? And the good news is that's pretty easy to measure. And really the quick answer for that is if the price can get back above this level right here, which is valued at 0.021, then that would be a great sign of a strong, genuine bounce. So let me get rid of this since, like I said, the pattern doesn't exist anymore. But this was a level of support, but because the price did fall below it, we do now have to change it to a resistance. So 0.021 is the key level resistance right now, and kind of the good little measuring gauge of any sort of strength. So if the price, like I said, can get up here and start to get some closes above here, then the chart could very well be back into business, as that is the key level that the bulls need to push up against. But like I said, after the spinning top, which formed at the location it did, the location being the 200-day simple moving average, this very well could be the start of a new upwards bounce here that's trying to get going here, but being right before the 4th of July, that's not a red flag or anything. Being the small amount of volume, I just attribute that to it being the day right before 4th of July. So, but with Thursday and Friday of this week, and then more importantly next week, if we can get some more volume in here, that'll be the key level to keep an eye on. And then the key level of support obviously is going to be down here at the 200-day simple moving average. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things for big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was ICPA. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your 4th of July.